Collards, all of that's been drained. We'll now put them together. We'll mix them up. Toss it, man, you can smell it. It's incredible. We'll toss that up, mix it, put it in the fridge so it's chilled, nice and cold. You can eat it, warm it up. You can do a lot of things with this. This is just really good, healthy with the nopales in here. And all your greens are good, healthy recipe for you. Try it. Live well. God bless you. Thanks for visiting the planet. Don't forget, live, love,